Apple's new 12.9-inch iPad Pro with 256GB storage. The super quick M1 chipset and distinctive liquid XDR show make for an extravagance tablet. Mac's most recent iPad Pro is an amazing, future-sealed tablet with the equivalent chipset as the MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro, and the new iMac. In spite of the fact that it's scarcely been out a month, Amazon has effectively reduced the cost of the bigger, 12.9-inch model with Wi-Fi and 256GB stockpiling. At this moment, the iPad Pro is accessible for $1,099, a saving of $100, which you could put toward a console. We granted the hugely incredible tablet a survey score of 87 upon its delivery. The M1 framework on a chip handles even the most burdening undertakings like 4K video altering moderately rapidly. Which means gaming and perusing the web is a breeze for the strong processor. With respect to the battery, Apple says you can anticipate 10 hours of utilization from a solitary charge, which we oversaw in our survey more often than not. Plan savvy, the new model is somewhat thicker and heavier. However, that is chiefly because of the Liquid Retina XDR show, which occupies more room than Apple's customary LCDs. The change is particularly recognizable when you're streaming. The full-screen brilliance shoots up to 1000 nits when you're watching a film or video, and splendid components in HDR can hit 1600 nits. The forward-looking camera has likewise gotten a redesign. It presently packs a 12-megapixel super-wide sensor that should tidy up FaceTime and Zoom calls. Another component called Center Stage, in the interim, utilizes AI and the far-reaching field of view to keep you focused in the casing, in any event, when you move around. Additionally, Apple's new iPadOS 15 is expected in the fall, with new highlights including an upgraded home screen with coordinated gadgets and the app library, new performing various tasks instruments, and season a notes update that allows you to share notes and rapidly access the application. To summarize, the iPad Pro is a genuinely exceptional gadget with a rich assortment of highlights. As you can guess by the value, it veers more like a PC than a normal tablet. Apple additionally offers stockpiling alternatives up to an astounding 2 TB, a more modest 11-inch screen, and 5G help. All of which can vacillate the cost from $799 for the base model up to a cool $2,399 for the most noteworthy spec adaptation.